So last class we talked about timelines, which is a tool that historians use to keep events in order. Today we're going to be looking at maps and how to read them. So most maps are going to come with four basic parts. Those parts are a title, a compass rose, a scale, and a key or legend. Let's take a look at how those four parts are used in the map seen on the screen. The first thing that we will look at is the title. So a title shows the reader what the map is illustrating. And in this case, we see that the title is Annual Rainfall in Australia. So we know that we are going to be looking at rainfall in Australia. The second part of the map that we're going to look at is the compass rose. The compass rose shows directions, and those directions are north, south, east, and west. The third part of the map that we'll look at is the scale. The scale explains the relationship of distance between the map and real life. Obviously, Australia is not 2 inches away from the country to the north. We can use the scale to see that for every inch that I go is 500 miles, so we know that this country is actually 500 miles away from Australia in real life. And the last part of the map that we're going to look at is the key or the legend. In this case, we don't see any symbols, but we do see what each color means. So as we look at Australia, we can see that if it's shaded in dark blue, we know that it gets over 40 inches of rain. If we see yellow, we know that yellow means under 10 inches of rain. So those are the four parts of the map: the scale, the compass, the key or legend, and the title.